Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to enable beauty mode on TikTok. If you're thinking how to edit your face on TikTok, slightly smoothing your skin, then apply the beauty mode feature while recording a video. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Log into TikTok, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, hit the beauty icon on the right. Once the beauty mode is turned on, press on the button in order to start recording a video. Now you can edit your video by adding sounds, using effects or filters, inserting stickers and writing something. When the video is ready, tap the next button. Now the only thing left to do is to upload your video, so simply click on the post button. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and now you will know how to enable beauty mode on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.